We have already seen the common basic shapes in quilling. Apart from them, you can manipulate your loose coils to whatever shape you want. It is up to your creativity to come up with more different shapes as per the need of your projects. By this I mean there is no set of rules that you should use only the shapes that we have learned. Now let me show you how to make a simple flower with one of the shapes that we learned today. And also let me show you how this circle scale is useful. You can get this in any stationery shop and is cheaper in price. I usually use it by placing it upside down so that it gives some additional height and it can hold your quill loose coils very well because of that height. I'm going to use my motorized quilling tool. It is just the same slaughter tool but it works on battery. This makes the quilling process faster. Let us choose one of the circles and I choose 8 number size circle and put the coil into it. It unwinds to a loose coil. Take it out and make an eye shape. For doing flowers or mandala, we will need a lot of similar shape in the same size. In those cases, this circle scale is much helpful. Now I am also making another one. In the same way, make a loose coil with the same 8 size circle. Take it out and press it in the sides to make an eye shape. See, here you can see both these are of the same size. So when you use the same size circle, all the shades you make from it will be similar. Now we can make even more of this shape to do a flower. And regarding the motorized quilling tool, this tool is not essential one, but I show this to let you know that something like this exists in the market and this makes our work so much faster to quill. So I didn't had this earlier. I used to use the normal quilling tool, but later when I started to quill regularly, continuously for so many hours, I had pain in my wrist and elbows. So then to avoid all such things, I started to use this motorized quilling tool. It is really so easy to do the work and is faster and also doesn't hurt our hand. You can use this eye shape to make flowers, leaves, butterflies, mandala and many more. When I am done making all the 6 shapes, I am going to glue the tips of all of them at the same time. This way we can save some time because we made the shape as soon as we take the loose coil from the circle scale. The shape will maintain its shape just like that. So we can glue the tips later. After gluing all the tips of the eye shapes, it is time to arrange them. Now take little glue only in the tip where we are joining them. A little glue is enough. I am putting it over the scale because it is plastic. I can remove the flower after it dries from the plastic easily. It is good to use a non-sticky surface when we need our flowers to come out with our hand. Otherwise, you can also stick it directly to the paper. Now the flower is done. I take a tight coil, apply some glue and stick it to the center. And now the flower is done. You can make them in different sizes, different shapes and even in different colors. Because we have learned the basic shapes already, it will give you more idea for you to make your own design. Start with some simple basic flowers or butterflies and it will give you confidence to work on more of new designs.